we got this thing cleaned out. We got her cleaned out so you can see what's going on with it. We've got the transfer case, we've got the drive shaft that goes with it. We were asking 15, but we're gonna take offers. Huh?
Yeah.
Yep, taking offers. Asking 15, taking offers. So y'all let me know what you want me to give me.
Let us know.
We make him work a deal out.
Yeah, boy.
That's an empty box right there, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
The bottom of the floor and stuff. So it's solid. I mean, it looks good. See the floor and all. Nice Bronco. 1974. You can put her back together. Have you a nice ride for a small amount of money. All these parts. Everything we put it back together with here. That's a new grill here. The fender skirts. Bumper here. Bumper there. Steering wheel. Some more parts over here. Speedometer and all the wires that goes with it. The air conditioning box or cleaner. Something like that. And here's the brake lights, such. Part of the dash. This box here is full of wires. Got your pedals here. Another air conditioning, air cleaner. Same thing. Door pedals here. New fuel tank. There's a piece of chrome right there. So a lot of good, nice parts with it. If y'all are interested in this, let me know. It's minimal rust on it. It's really in really good shape, isn't it?
Yes,
I mean, it's nice. I'd keep it for myself, but I'm just not into Broncos too much. But there's people out there that love them.
we want to make them happy.
Yeah. Like I said, been asking 15, but you make me a reasonable offer, you can come carry this thing home. Take her home with you. Can't you, babe? You can also take home a lot of other things. If you see them in the background, all you gotta do is let me know. We'll let you take them all home. Buy us out. Anyway, we got this 74 Bronco. Make me an offer on this thing. WW Kustomz.